Because it's big. I'm gonna say catfish, but it's big. It's heavy. Oh, man. It's staying down. I'm gonna say catfish. It's very heavy. I don't know what this is. It's big. I don't want to lose it, that's for sure. Stay on line. I'm gonna have to wear this out. It's heavy. Well, look at it run. What the heck is this? My dear God, I don't know what this is. It's pulling hard though. Come on, line, hold up. This thing is a monstrosity, whatever it is. Oh my God. What is it? I haven't seen it. Heart's going. One run and it could be snap. Plus I haven't seen it. God, it's like it feels like a catfish because it's down so low. But man, I don't know what it is. But it absolutely tomahawked this thing. Okay, now I got a fucking stick stuck on it. I hope my line holds up. Oh, gave up a little bit there. Not really. This is good too because I got plenty of time. God, he's pulling hard. This is an absolute beast, whatever this thing is. Please stay on. Please don't snap. Whatever it is, it just freaking walloped it. Oh my God. This is like a muskie fight. I don't have a steel leader. The longer this goes, if it's a catfish, it could snap the line. I need a net, probably. One line. Gotta wear this thing out. Hope my line holds up. Oh, there was something at the top. I'm going with catfish. I really am because I don't know anything that's this big in here. I'm not getting any of my line back either. Hello. You're getting closer. What are you? Oh, I snagged a carp. It's huge. I snagged it. Dang it. I don't know if I can handle this thing. Jesus criminy. Now I know what it is at least. It's just gotta pop out because he's snagged in the back. I don't even know how I'm gonna land this thing. I think he's about done. I'm going to put you back. Oh. Okay. Get back, hold on. I'll put you back, hold on, bud. Okay. Got a little surprise here this morning. Snagged a 28-inch carp. Here you go. Can't even hold it. Doggy. Holy shit.